Hi, welcome to Image Forex Global. I want to share with you one of the powerful tools that we actually advertise and we do sell. This is one of the tools that I used to do my daily trades. Let me quickly show you how the tools work, okay? Most importantly, you can see all these PowerPoint points. They are actually agrammatically calculated. It calculates the average of previous days and give you all these data. And you can see it plots them on daily basis. So this you have all this is a day, all this is a day, all this is a day, all this is a day. Then you have on daily basis it automatically plots them for you without you doing all the activities yourself, right? So how do I use this indicator? First and foremost, you see the indicators have several colors, okay? The most important colors that you need here is the middle color, which is the blue color, okay? The blue line, right? And how to take this trade is you want to monitor the trades, and once the trade crosses that point, you will be able to have a very good signal to buy. All right, so the trade got in here, and you came down, and possibly you get a trade from here and it closes outside the blue line. For your buy, then you enter in the next candle, okay? And once you enter into the next candle, you have a drop down of about 5 pips, and you have all these movements upward, all right? Now until it eventually crosses this line, and you can see the trade begins to move upward. All right, so that's for your buy. Good to go. Now let's have something for yourself, okay? Now the tool is quite powerful, that once you get into the trade, you could use that as an advantage to continue to get into the trade and take more pips, add more pips, okay? Now for your sell, you have the market crossing right here and it closes below the blue line. You enter your sell position right here. Okay, once you get into your sell position, you can see right here, and until you have the blue line crosses again before your exit point. So by then you will have made a total sum of about 220 something pips. Okay, now, and once it crosses back again, you can see the tool is powerful. Once it crosses back, you get into the trade, and you have a subtraction of about 26 pips, but you don't have to get out of this market because the trade didn't close outside the market until the trade closes outside the blue line before you exit or say, okay, right here the traders has closed outside and I can't go with this anymore. But since it didn't close, you have your buy still active and you have it up to around here, okay, about 182 pips. You can see great one for those who understand how to take advantage of this wonderful tool. All right, now you can have one again right here. See, trade begins and it eventually gets into the market. Peradventure you right here you will have at least lost about, say, 14 pips. Okay, you lost 14 pips because the trade closed outside the blue line, and eventually it went back up. Okay, now you get into the trade again. Yeah, and so far so good. You'll have been able to make these very good highs, right? Very good number of pips, and all through you'll be able to see that. Now right here, look at this again. It broke and closed down, so you enter your trade from here, and all through, bam, like that. You make 183 pips, right? So if you need this tool, you can actually contact me through my email. Then I'll be able to get you this tool. It is a very good tool that I use to make my daily trades, and it works for me a lot. So let me, all right. Okay, and right here you can see you make a lot of pips with this. You get into the market right here, you can see that. Get into the market right here and you'll have made this number of pips. Okay, yeah. So same goes to your buy position, and you will have made this number of pips. Okay, so it's a very powerful tool. You want it with a minus of about 5 pips and an addition of about 55 pips. Okay, so you need this tool, please contact me, okay, at my email address ekensjerry247@gmail.com. Then I'll get you this tool. Okay, yeah. It's just a token, right? Now for you to also have pro confirmation of how I actually take my trades and when I take my trades. Right now I see an indicator right here giving me an opportunity to, the market was actually moving down. You can see this, the market was moving down from right here, and on my RSI you can see the market moving up. So you have a downward trend in the price, but on the RSI you have an upward trend. So once I have this and I see this movement, I take a look at my candlestick, and once it hits and had a cross on my lines, I take a buy. Okay, right here you can see this, you can see this movement, and eventually crosses it and I'll get into the trade. That's another way of actually taking a very good number of pips. Okay, yeah, very good one. So that's another way of actually making very good pips of using this indicator. Let's look for a sell position right here. Or sell. Okay. Yeah, I think I should be able to get one sell position right here. One sell position. Okay. Now, right here, you see from the market begins to move upward, an upward trend. Most times, this is how I picture it, and I looked at it. An upward trend in the market, right there. But what's happened on a higher side? Okay, do we have upward trend? Okay, yes, we do. So, right here, I don't have to do anything more. But what happens after this point? What happened right here after this point? Sorry. High, low. So eventually it broke, and you have your sell right there. And great. So this tool is powerful. I make a lot of money with it. If you need the tool, you can contact me. All right. So most times when I get into the trade, I possibly leave the trade for about 2 days, and I'll be able to make a reasonable number of pips. Okay, right there. So get contact me. I can show you a lot more on how I make a lot of money from this. Make every day a lot of money from it. Okay, so I wish you guys best of luck. Bye.